Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to recover permanently deleted email from Gmail. If you have deleted that email recently, first open Gmail. If you have deleted that email recently, you can find it in trash or bin. You can find it here. But what happens if that email has been deleted for more than 30 days or more than 1 month? The trash automatically clears itself and it will no longer be in trash. So in that case, how do you recover? So for that, just follow the step. Open your browser and go to support.google.com. and scroll down and find Gmail. Scroll down and find Gmail. Now scroll down and find fix a problem. Find it. Fix a problem. Now here you will see Gmail messages are missing. Tap on it. Scroll down and find most of my emails are missing. Open it. It will get expanded and this option will appear. We can help find your missing emails and secure your account. Now tap on this option. This will lead you to Gmail message recovery tool. It will show that you are currently logged in as your email. We will try to recover email that were deleted within the last 30 days. So click on continue and your problem will be solved. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.